So I'll be showing you how to remove sound from a video using your iPhone. So let's say, for instance, you have a video like this with sound like that, and you want to remove that sound from the video. What you want to do is open that video and then tap on edit in the upper right side. Now we are using the Photos app, so just go to the main Photos app and tap on edit. In the editor, go to the top left corner and you should see the sound icon. If you tap on it, it's gonna turn into a mute icon. That means the video sound has been removed. And then now to save the changes, tap on done in the top right corner, and this video will no longer have sound. So it's as simple as that. That's how to remove sound from a video on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.